So I'm working with a wig from Hairvivi. So the last time I worked with a wig from Hairvivi, everybody was like totally just mad at Hairvivi for apparently taking somebody's concept or something like that. Wig concept somebody else did on YouTube. So Hairvivi got a lot of backlash in that time. So I don't know if y'all are still mad at Hairvivi, but you shouldn't be, because there's so many other wig companies that are doing that same concept. You really can't be mad at people. It's so many companies that do the same exact thing. So I get why people were mad at it, but you really can't be too mad at Hairvivi for making putting the product in the product line. And that's what companies do. It's what you should do. If you have a product, put it in rotation. It don't matter how many other people have the same thing. As long as you're not infringing on somebody's copyright, or if somebody has a patent for the exact thing, you can do it too. But anyway, so since all the backlash that Hairvivi got from their fake scalp wig, they've altered their fake scalp wig. So now the fake scalp wig has another layer of lace. So if you remember the first fake scalp wig, it was where they sold basically like a cap to the top of the hair. I don't know how they did it. When you do the bald cap method, so instead of doing the bald cap method, they put the cap already like embedded in the wig. So I guess like people were having some issues with it. It might have gotten some holes or something. If you pluck too hard, it'll break, or because it's just like just a stocking cap. So what they've done is put an extra layer of lace in it for your protection, so it won't get messed up, so you won't poke any holes in it, or it won't get damaged. So it's definitely good for longevity. It's a thin piece of lace, so it doesn't add bulkiness or anything like that to the wig. So this parting is 6 inches deep, so you can get a longer part if you want a middle part, if you want a side part. So it's basically nothing too much different than the first one. Like, you still don't have to pluck it. It still comes pre-bleached. It still comes with the elastic bands inside of the cap, so it's glueless. It still comes with clips. It's machine weft on to the cap, so it's still basically the same wig, but just some updates for your, if you're spending money on a wig, you want it to last or whatever. So this is just the update. So you can see it's still fake scalp. It still looks like a scalp. It's still the exact same thing. So it's pretty much pre-done. So this is a 20-inch body. No, this is a 20-inch naturally wavy wig. So it's already naturally wavy. I'm just gonna like pretty much show you how to install it. So it'll pretty much it's pretty much done. Like, all of their wigs are done. So all you have to do is put them on. You can glue it down. You can slip it on. You can I just usually just put the elastic band on, because I don't feel like gluing or using gel and all that stuff to tape it down. So this is pretty much, this is done. All you have to do is put it on. Okay, just wait. So like I said, the knots and stuff are already bleached. It's pre-plucked, so you really don't have to pluck it. You can pluck it if you want to, but it's pretty much done. I love this fake scalp because you really don't have to do anything to it. So I really love that. So this is just some up close of the inside of it. You can see the little thin layer of lace for the protection of the fake scalp part. So you really get your money's worth when you get a wig from them. I don't know if other hair companies added this little lace part in here, but it's like genius to do that too. So I'm gonna just use some fitting gel. That's like got to be gel, and I'm just gonna slick her edges back, just cause it just helps to have it neat when you're putting on any type of lace frontal closure or anything like that. And make sure you definitely clean the hairline with some alcohol so that it get all the makeup and all that stuff off, so your lace frontal can be installed properly and it can last, you know, a good amount of time if you're gluing it down or gelling it down. So this wig came with a side part, so I'm just gonna leave the side part like it is. Close up. Look how it blends in so well with her scalp, and I haven't even done anything but just put it on. So I'm gonna cut the lace off with a razor. You know, I always do that. If you don't know how to use a razor, don't use a razor. You have to be very careful when you do that. It just gives it a more jagged look, so it don't just be like straight across on your forehead, looking like Count Dracula. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the fitting gel and put it across the hairline, just to, it's not really gluing it down, but just so it stay put a little bit. Like I said, I already wiped her forehead off with some alcohol so it'll stick. You can get fitting gel at your local beauty supply stores by Style Factor. You know, I use a lot of their products. So this came with like baby hairs. I'm gonna do some baby hairs. I'm getting like beyond baby hairs. I'm getting tired of baby hairs. Sorry. You can see it really blends in really well. You see how the part, this looks very, very natural. It's the fake scalp look. So see, we really ain't had to do nothing here. So I'm just pretty much gonna put some water on this, since it's a natural wavy, and then pretty much be done. I'm gonna leave some links in the description box for you guys to check out Hairvivi. This wig is literally so easy to put on. It's pretty much done for you. The wave is really, really cute. Look how cute you look in this wig. So make sure you check them out and don't give Hairvivi such a hard time, and don't give me a hard time either for showing you this updated wig. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Filthyrichtresses, like my Facebook page. Leave a question or a comment. Thank you for watching. Give a little.